Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to restart your PlayStation Portal when you're not able to restart. So sometimes, right, if you're not able to restart while holding this power button, just press and hold the power button so that you can see these options: power off or restart. Sometimes this restart button might not be working. Okay, in such cases, right, what you need to do is to restart this, you need to press and hold this power button until it restarts. So I'm going to press and hold. Even though if you're seeing, right, this restart button, you need to hold it because this is not working. So I'm going to press and hold the power button. Automatically it will be restarting. Yes, that's it. You need to see this PS logo here. Yes, it started. That's it. So this is the way you can restart your PS Portal when the restart option is not working. Example, I'm going to press and hold it again, starting the timer, pressing and holding. Restart option is there. Still I'm holding. So it's turned off. Still I'm holding. It should be restarting. It's restarted. Now you can take your finger. That's it. So restart is successful now. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.